Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to set the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's activate the list of all applications. Choose settings. Here you have to select the display. Afterwards, let's tap on the wallpaper right here. And as you can see here, you have a couple of options. You can choose the My Photos, so you can use some personal photos to set up as a wallpaper, or you can choose on device wallpaper. In my case, let me select on device. So here you have a couple of wallpapers that you can use. In my case, it could be, for example, the following one. And now let's just choose set wallpaper. And here you have to decide that you would like to use this wallpaper on your home screen, lock screen, on the both screens. So let me choose both. As you can see, wallpaper set successfully. Let's go back, and as you can see now, you are using your desired picture. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.